Spring is not just about the bloom of flowers, it's also the perfect time to breathe new life into your home with a thorough spring cleaning. This annual tradition isn't just about maintaining a clean, healthy, and organized home. It's also about that feeling of satisfaction, that sense of renewal that comes with a well-cleaned home. It's a fresh start, a wipe of the slate, and a way to usher in the new season. Before diving into the cleaning process, ensure you're subscribed to our channel for more insightful content like this. The first step to a successful spring cleaning is planning and gathering your cleaning supplies. Start by creating a checklist of the areas you want to tackle. This could include individual rooms, closets, storage spaces, and even outdoor areas. Prioritize tasks based on their urgency and the amount of time you've got. Next, it's time to gather your cleaning supplies. Stock up on all-purpose cleaners, disinfectants, microfiber cloths, scrub brushes, and garbage bags. Don't forget specific products needed for certain tasks. Having everything at hand will save you time and prevent interruptions once you start cleaning. Setting aside time to declutter is also a key part of preparing for spring cleaning. Begin by decluttering each room, donating, selling, or discarding items you no longer need or use. Remember, tackle one area at a time, like closets, drawers, or shelves. With a well-laid plan and all the necessary supplies at hand, you're ready to start the actual cleaning. Now that you're all set, it's time to get down to business. Start by decluttering each room. This means parting ways with items you no longer need or use. Whether it's a stack of magazines collecting dust or clothes that no longer fit, it's time to donate, sell, or discard these items. Tackle one area at a time, like closets, drawers, or shelves, to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Once you've decluttered, it's time to dust and wipe surfaces. Start from the top and work your way down. This includes everything from light fixtures and shelves to furniture. Pay special attention to frequently touched areas like doorknobs and light switches. Next, let's brighten up those windows. Clean them inside and out for that streak-free shine. Don't forget your curtains and blinds. Depending on the material, they may need to be laundered or dry cleaned. Now, let's move on to carpets and upholstery. Vacuum carpets thoroughly, and if they're particularly dirty, consider steam cleaning. For upholstery, including sofas and chairs, follow the care instructions for each fabric. The kitchen deserves some love too. Clean out the refrigerator, tossing expired items, and wipe down shelves and drawers. Don't forget about the oven, microwave, and other appliances. Empty and clean kitchen cabinets and drawers for a fresh start. In the bathroom, scrub and disinfect the toilet, shower, and sink. Replace shower curtains or liners if necessary, and organize those bathroom cabinets, discarding expired toiletries. In the bedroom, it's time to freshen up your bedding. Wash sheets, pillowcases, and comforters. Flip or rotate mattresses for even wear. And don't forget to declutter and organize drawers and closets. Outside, sweep and clean areas like patios or decks, trim bushes and trees, and clear out any debris from the yard. Remember, the goal is not to finish all at once, but to ensure every area gets the attention it needs. It may seem like a lot, but with a little time and effort, your home will be springtime fresh in no time. After all the hard work, it's time to add the final touches to your newly cleaned home. This is the moment where you can let your creativity shine. Consider adorning your space with fresh flowers or plants. They not only bring a touch of nature indoors, but also offer a pleasant aroma that can invigorate your senses. You might also want to explore new decor pieces that reflect the season's vibrancy and freshness. A new wall art or a vibrant rug can significantly alter the look of a room. Another exciting option is to consider rearranging your furniture. You'd be surprised how a simple shift in your furniture layout can give your home a completely new look and feel. It's like getting a home makeover without spending a dime. And that's it. You've successfully completed your spring cleaning, and now you can enjoy your refreshed, clean, and organized home. Take a moment to appreciate the fruits of your labor and bask in the comfort of your spruced-up surroundings. Spring cleaning might seem like a daunting task, but with a plan and a step-by-step approach, it can be manageable and even enjoyable. Let's quickly recap. Start with a checklist, gather your supplies, then declutter, dust, wipe, and deep clean. Pay attention to every corner of your home, from the kitchen appliances to the outdoor patio. And don't forget those final touches to bring a fresh new vibe to your space. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Happy spring cleaning!